Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the Serpentine Belt on BMW 320d E90 model. In order to get to the Serpentine Belt, first we need to remove this air intake box that's on front of the engine. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Now that the air intake box is removed, we have access to the Serpentine Belt. There's the Serpentine Belt right there, and right there is the tensioner pulley that we need size 16 socket in order to loosen, in order to remove the belt. In order to loosen the tensioner, we need to put the socket onto the bolt of the tensioner pulley and just pull it clockwise, and then we can see that the belt is loosened and we can remove the belt. Now we can remove the belt and then put on the new belt. I'm not going to remove the belt though, I'm just showing how to remove it, and now I'm going to put the belt back on. To put the belt back on, we need to put the belt onto all the pulleys in the right direction, and then maybe leave either the alternator pulley or the tensioner pulley for last to put the belt on when we have loosened the tensioner pulley. Now we're going to turn the tensioner clockwise until it can't go no more, and then the last pulley that we need to put the belt on here is the tensioner pulley, and we're going to put the belt on the tensioner pulley and we're done. We can then start the car. Thank you for watching.